Hi everyone, this is Sheetal. Today I would be sharing how to do hair blow dry at home with short and simple step-by-step easy tutorial. Things you'll need: hair dryer, blow dryer comb. I use thin one for curtain bangs and thick one for rest of my hair. Sectioning clip, dream length no haircut cream. Trust me, it works so great as a heat protectant and smooth finish to your hairs throughout the week. Simply apply all over your hair length. Make sure do apply it on wet hair. It gives a good texture to your hair. Do comb down hair as they are wet. Try to use wide tooth comb. I personally do double combing so that it's easy while styling my hair. Less breakage of hair as they are very delicate when they are wet. Go from downwards to upwards gently. Sectioning your hair while styling is so important because it just prevents hair breakage and also helps you to style your hair evenly. I divide my hairs in 3 sections and start from bottom to the top side. Curtain bangs, then crown area, and lastly the bottom one. It's really easy. Well guys, I will try to cover each and every step slowly and vividly so it's easy for you guys to understand. Now take a small section from the left side. It should be of 2 inches. Okay, place a blow dryer comb and put the dryer on the medium speed and start moving comb along with the dryer, pressing hairs downward. And yes, remember, you have to repeat this step precisely and each section needs to be press like this is for at least 3 to 4 times and hair should be wet so that it doesn't burn out your hair strands. Okay, that's the whole point for styling your hair and blow drying your hair when they are actually wet. And that's it. That's how you have to keep styling all the sections of your bottom hair step by step, repeating it. It might take you 10 to 15 minutes to complete the entire section according to your hair length. After finishing bottom section, it's easy to style the crown section. That's why I do style my hair from bottom part to the top part, as I've already shared with you. Do try this way only. Will be easy and manageable to style with less hair breakage. I'm trying to remind you, and repeat the same step, taking small section and do cover all the hairs. This process will also take time, but at the end, results will blow your mind. It will just give you salon-like finish at home. Trust me. Okay, I understand. Initially, your arms might hurt. I assure you, with practice, you will become firm at it. Getting hair blowout at home, actually, with saving so much money that could have costed you at salon. Time for curtain bangs, my favorite part of hairs to style. I mostly style my curtain bangs very precisely, give run through thick comb, and then I go all over again with the thin comb. Well, that's how the curtain bangs really fall on my frame of face so gorgeously. It just style my curtain bang evenly and stays put together all day long. And that's how I mostly style my hairs in no time. Just remember, it needs practice and effort, and the process will start feeling like simple and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do share with your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Bye!